Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is our apartment video, and this is the place where we live. And if you look to your right, you can see a big street. We are living in a very good location in Causeway Bay, and then look to your left. Super awesome, tall buildings, also very expensive stores. And this location is also really good because we have our MTR exit just in the corner. And let's go inside the apartment now. This is a terrible street where you can see cockroaches running around. And they actually also fall on you. Almost there. Super long hallway, as you can see. And it is now October and it's still 30 degrees outside every single day. So here we enter the code and we open the door. We always have a man here guarding us. And then we take the left to the 12th floor. I'm sweating. Okay. 12th floor. And we go all the way to the end here. Once again, we have to enter a code. There you are. And this hallway is always really dirty and gross. And this is our apartment, the very last one. Welcome. First, let's go to the kitchen. No, the bathroom, which is here. Pretty basic. The only thing which I don't like is the shower, which is connected to the tap. So we have to like turn it here and then we can shower. And when we're done, we have to turn it back. Then, why am I wearing a mask? What the fuck? Whew, okay. Then here's the kitchen. We bought this. Actually, we almost bought everything that is right now in this apartment except the washing machine. But everything else we had to buy. This is my makeup hair station. Then we have a really small fridge. Well, it's actually bigger than the one I have in Finland. This is the only mirror we have. Besides the one in the bathroom. So I have no idea what I look like in the morning when I go out because I cannot see what I'm wearing. Our clothes are here. It's really full, as you can see. We have a lot of clothes and this is the only place we can put them in. And then the bathroom. No! The bedroom. Then the bedroom. Yeah, it's here. And this is our lamp called Svante. He's our pet lamp. That's it. And this is where we turn the AC on. and it makes a lot of noise during the night. But actually, right now, I think we're used to it. Oh yeah, and the light does this really cool thing where it switches color. Yeah. That was our apartment tour. Thank you for watching, and tell me what do you guys think about this apartment. We have been living here for 2 months, and we still have 3 months to go. So would you be able to live in an apartment like this? Tell me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.